Welcome back, creative minds, to another exciting tutorial on HL Graphics. Today, we're diving into the world of mockups once again, but this time, we're shifting our focus to a new canvas, caps, and business cards.
Yeah, boy.
Following the success of our t-shirt mockup video, we're expanding our horizons to bring you even more design inspiration and practical know-how. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just dipping your toes into the realm of graphic design, this video is for you. First of all, open Google Chrome and type Mockup World up. A great website will open in front of you.
Okay.
Type the cap on the search bar. Many caps will appear in front of you. We will choose baseball cap, open it and click on free download, then wait a little for your mockup to download. It will be loaded. After that, a link will open in front of you, which will be a PSD link. Click on this link. Here you will see two cap mockups. Download them both. I will give its link in the description.
Whoa!
At HL Graphics, we're not just about showcasing the latest trends, we're all about empowering you with the skills and resources you need to bring your creative visions to life. And today, we're taking it up a notch. Here you can see the size of your mockup, what is its length and what is its width, and you can change it. Where we have downloaded many more caps, here we will download them in the same way and keep them with us, and then we will tell you how to use them. In this tutorial, not only will we unveil the hottest caps and business cards mockups on the market, but we'll also guide you through the process of downloading and utilizing these powerful design tools. Consider it your backstage pass to the world of professional-grade mockups. Now I will tell you how to use Cap Mockup. First of all, go to the Layer panel on the right side. Here you will see a design written on a layer. Double-click on the icon where the logo is written, and a new page will open in front of you. Here you can put any design or logo of yours. I have a design on Illustrator. I have selected Simple Design to make it easier for you to understand. I will drag this design to Photoshop and delete the old design here. Now I'm going to click on the cross on the top layer and touch yes, so our design is pasted on top of the cap. Now we'll see the second cap mockup. It's going to be done exactly the same way as I did with the first cap. We're going to design it and save it, and here I'm going to show you that. How can we change the color of the logo or design on top of the cap, and also how can we change the color of the cap? Now we go to the business card mockup. The website I have chosen here is called FreePic. I am going to write business card mockup here on the search bar. See how many mockups are there in front of you? From here we can download free PSD mockups.
Well, that's no surprise at all.
Here the color of the business card mockup I have chosen is orange, black, and white. Download it. It's absolutely free. It takes a little time to download. The PSD link will open in front of you. Like double-click, you will get your business card on Photoshop. There are both front and back cards here. We will work on both one by one. There are also different types of mockups. Here I am taking a gray layer so that I can put my design on it and save it. So this is what I have done. First of all, we will place a gray rectangle here. I will set the design on Photoshop. Here we will change the color of our design according to our business card. So, whether you're looking to enhance your portfolio, impress your clients, or simply unleash your creativity, buckle up because we're about to embark on an exhilarating design journey together. This is HL Graphics, and we're thrilled to have you on board. Now we will complete the back part of the card. There is already some information here. We will leave it as is. But we will hide his logo and name with white color and put our logo and name on this card, and also change its color. After that we will save it. When our work is done, we will save it. First file we will save as PSD and second file we will save as JPEG. If you like my work, please express your opinion. I will be making another video on the mockup and will have it up for you soon, inshallah.